Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to record the front and rear cameras at the same time on the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. So on the new iPhones, you have an option to record videos from the front or rear camera at the same time. And to enable that, the first thing that we have to do is actually open up the camera. Go to video mode and then press on the 6 dots on the top right to open up this menu and enable dual capture. And here, as you can see, the screen is now displaying two cameras. So you have one on the top right and you have the front one. So this is how it displays. And now you can record a video. You can change the resolution too, but the frame rate is limited to 30 FPS. So you can record any video you want with this option. And then once it's done, we can go back to the video, and as you can see, we now have dual recording. And that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.